Did you know someone you know might never have felt any joy from listening to music in their entire life? The problem isn't in their ears, it's in their brain. Interestingly, such people really do exist, and they don't avoid music on purpose. Their brains simply process melody differently. In today's video, we'll find out why for some people, music remains just noise and never becomes a feeling. First, let's understand what actually happens in the brain when we listen to a favorite song. When a favorite song plays, the brain releases a chemical called dopamine, associated with feelings of pleasure and reward. The same chemical is released when eating delicious food, winning a game, or achieving a big goal. To the brain, a favorite song acts much like a reward. Neuroscience research has shown that dopamine levels rise noticeably while listening to a favorite song. Now for the most interesting part. A group of researchers in Spain studied people who had no interest in music at all. They found these people had no hearing problems. They could hear melody, rhythm, and sound perfectly normally, but music simply couldn't evoke any feeling of pleasure in them. This condition is called musical anhedonia. The name sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. It's not a disease, not an illness. It's just a different way the brain functions. Brain scans have shown that in people who enjoy music, the connection between the sound processing part of the brain and the pleasure-feeling part is very strong. But in people with musical anhedonia, this connection is considerably weaker. The music reaches the ears, but the signal doesn't fully reach the brain's pleasure center. Here's a common misconception that needs to be cleared up. Many people assume that not liking music means being emotionless, but that's completely wrong. These people have emotions, they have joy too. It's just that the source of that joy is different. Some people find joy in reading books, some love trying new foods, some find satisfaction in deep conversations. And research suggests that in many cases, people with musical anhedonia are more drawn to visual arts like photography, drawing, or film, because their brains seek out beauty through a different path. Now think about it. We live in a time when music is playing almost everywhere, in reels, videos, events, restaurants, gyms, gatherings. In this environment, people who don't enjoy music often hear things like, "What's wrong with you?" or "How can you be so boring?" These comments might seem ordinary, but hearing them repeatedly can make a person start to feel different from everyone else. Yet the truth is, they're not wrong. Their brain just works a little differently. And being different doesn't mean being abnormal. It's simply more proof of how diverse human brains can be. So tell me, does someone you know not enjoy music at all? Or are you that person yourself? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the brain and psychology. See you in the next video.